it's Divania J, and I just decided today's the day I'm gonna start styling my microlocks. I feel like I used to be so creative with my hair when it was loose, and now all of a sudden I've gotten so boring. So if you feel the same way, stay tuned. Let's do some styles together and see what we come up with. So this is what my locks are looking like, a little over 4 months old. So far, so good. Everything's working out perfectly. The only thing that I ask in this video is that you get your rubber bands, you get your bobby pins, and definitely get your spray bottle because we do not want to be styling no dry hair. Okay, let's get into the first hairstyle. So the first thing you're going to want to do is split the hair into 2 sections, separating the front from the back. I think this is the hairstyle for the woman that loves to have her hair out of her face, just wants something cute and flirty. After you split the hair into 2 sections, I want you to split the front section straight down the middle, right? Just like this. Then you're going to split 1/2 of that section into 2. So in total, it should be 4 sections in the front of your hair. And then we're going to begin braiding. If you're not the best braider, that's no problem. I did this same hairstyle last week with more of like a barrel twist. This is the best photo I have of that. So sorry. Am I the only one that feels like I'm not recording enough of my lock journey? I feel like I should be taking pictures weekly or something. And I don't know. I'm losing it, but I promise I'm going to get better. So yeah, right now I'm just putting a rubber band at the base of that braid. I personally like to put some type of oil on my rubber bands just so it doesn't rip my hair out. A little grease or Jamaican black castor oil will do. Now keep in mind, these are supposed to be low tension hairstyles. Why does this stuff hurt so bad? Like, I think any lock girly can relate when we say that every style we try hurts us. It's like our scalp cannot take it. Once you lock your hair and leave your scalp alone, I don't care how many years you've been getting your hair done, it's going to hurt. Okay, just take that back ponytail out and here you have it. She's cute. She's flirty. She's going out for a walk with her dog. She's going to get a coffee. It's summertime. The hair is out of her face. I love this style so much. I think the first time I did it, I had 6 rows instead of 4. I think I like the 6 better. I can't decide. You could do a little half up, half down. It don't matter. But we about to move on to the next style, which is basically a part 2 of the first style. I'm just splitting the back of my hair into 2 sections, and then I'm going to start braiding the back of my hair in a downward motion, but also including those 2 braids that I made in the front. Can we just take a moment and admire my locks for a second? Like, I feel like I'm doing such a good job. I do notice a lot of my ends unraveling, but I just twist those right back up. So I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other side, and we are done. Again, keep in mind, all of these styles can be barrel twist. This is so pretty to me. It's giving elegant. What do you think? For my next style, this is something that I used to do all the time back in college. It was my favorite go-to if I wanted to do a half up, half down, but didn't want to be so simple about it. I'm basically just braiding the front half of my hair in an upward motion. Usually when I get to the end, I stop braiding and I just start wrapping my hair over the other, like kind of like an overlapping motion. So that's something you can also do if you don't know how to braid. And sometimes I would braid this all the way to the back. So I'll give myself more of like what I thought I was giving myself was a lobster tail. Like back when I wanted locks so bad, but couldn't commit, I would make lobster tails out of like my box braids and knotless braids. So for the next style, we are going to get into more of a twist. You can do barrel twists if you want to. I don't think I know how to do that, so I'm just doing a regular twist. And then we're gonna separate our hair into 4 different sections. You can do whatever design you want. I did more of not zigzag, but more of like a swirl, which I should have kept doing in the back of my head, but it still turned out cute. I can see this hairstyle being done in so many ways. Like, I can't wait to do more twists. I can't wait to turn them into braids. I can't wait to do some straight backs with my natural hair. I had some straight backs last summer and they were so cute. So cute. I have to find a way to recreate that style. I haven't done a video like this in such a long time. I have an old TikTok video that is still pretty viral to this day. I still get likes and comments on it all the time. And I'm starting to think like this is something that I could get into. Should I make this a series? Because I have so many more ideas for cute little quick hairstyles for my length of locks. I just have to set a schedule and figure out how often I want to do that. I don't know if that's something, maybe I should do that once a month. Give myself some time to come up with some cute ideas, and I'll do like 5 hairstyles per video. I think that's a good idea. I think we gotta figure out a name for it. Something to do with styling. Styling Saturdays? I don't know. I'll figure it out. Let me brainstorm on it a little bit. I'll get back to you. Girl, we done finally made it to the last twist. I feel like this style took forever when it really took like 5 minutes, if that. It'll probably take 6 minutes if I would have took my time and did the back a little cleaner, but we're almost finished. I really enjoyed this style. I'm trying to see if this is the style I enjoyed the most. And I'm looking at it like, I don't think I like it down like that. And I really don't be liking hair on my neck. So let's switch that up a little bit. You could leave it if you want to like this, but I'm gonna put a cute little bun at the end and see how that goes. I don't know, y'all. I don't mean to toot my own horn, but I think if I made these twists a little smaller, a little neater, added some pearls, this could be like a wedding hairstyle. Like, I really like this. I'm really feeling this. Let me know what y'all think. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a like, comment, subscribe. Just come back for more. I enjoyed this.